So you want to take care of your face, but you don't want to go spend a bunch of money. Well, you don't really need to. A lot of these products on the market are overpriced and full of toxins. So in today's video, I'm coming at you with 5 natural household products that are great for your face. So let's get into it. Number 1 on the list, we got organic virgin coconut oil. This bad boy does a little bit of everything, including being extremely nourishing for the skin. Due to its unique combination of healthy fats, coconut oil strengthens the skin, heals wounds and scars, and is great for reducing inflammation. I recommend using it as a moisturizer morning and night. If you find there's too much on your face, use some water, wash it off, use a face cloth, and dab your face to remove the excess oil. There's so many benefits to coconut oil. It's good for your skin, good for your hair, and can also be used as an all-natural lubricant. If you're looking to save a bunch of money on overpriced skin products, then have I got the product for you. It helps protect your skin against the sun, reduces and treats acne, slows down the aging process. 6-time gold medal winner in the all-natural skincare championship of the world, Avocado.
Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
You know, I really didn't think you were gonna sound like that.
Well, how the hell did you think I was gonna sound? Huh? Punk?
Full of healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamins, this product works wonders. A really easy way to use it is just to scoop out the avocado, turn the peel inside out, and rub it onto your face, making a mask, and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then just wash it off with some warm water. Number 3, loved by our childhood friend Pooh Bear, we got honey. Besides being sweet and delicious, honey is full of enzymes, vitamins, and skin boosting acids that are terrific for your face. Honey is great for treating damaged skin, healing scars, treating acne breakouts, works as a great moisturizer, and also contains antiseptics. You can easily apply honey directly to your face or mix it in with one of the other goodies on this list. If you're going to apply it directly to your face, simply rub some in your fingers, rub it all over your face, create a mask, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then wash it right off. Number 4 is oranges. Full of antioxidants, natural oils, citric acid, and vitamin C, this product works wonders. Great to use as an exfoliator, keeps the skin firm and strong, yet soft to the touch. A couple ways to use the orange is to squeeze the juice out into a bowl, apply it to your face, and then remove it after a couple minutes. Also, the peel of the orange is a great exfoliator. Simply take it off the orange and rub it against your face to remove dead skin cells and any dirt and grime. It's really great for that. Alright, coming at you with number 5, we got apple cider vinegar. This product is amazing for treating acne due to its high acid content, and it helps to unclog your pores. It reduces inflammation, dries out your acne spot, and removes dead skin. The easiest way to apply it is to take a face cloth or a cotton round if you have them, pour the apple cider vinegar out just a little bit, and dab it onto the spot where the acne is. And hopefully, in a few days, it will disappear. But no promises. Alright, ladies and gents, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you smash that like button. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I got videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, self-growth, health, wellness. So I hope to see all you guys in the next one. Alright guys, much love.